Okay, here's a prediction that should convince you to get VoIP platform with AI calling. In the next 2 years, AI will alone resolve 80% of common customer service issues without human intervention. And that's not me saying it. It's Gartner, one of the most respected research and advisory firms in the world. Now that I have your attention, let's find out the best VoIP platforms with AI calling for your business. We went through the top VoIP systems with AI calling baked in, and here are the 5 that are actually worth your time. Let's kick things off with Dialpad. They've built their whole identity around being a unified communications platform. Phone, messaging, video, all in one window. And their AI layer, Dialpad AI, does live transcriptions, post-call summaries, and even real-time coaching that pops suggestions while you are mid-call. If your team already lives inside Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, Dialpad slots in cleanly. The starter plan is $15 a month, which looks great on paper, but here's the catch worth knowing upfront. A lot of what makes the AI actually useful, deeper CRM integrations, the advanced analytics, and conversational AI features, only unlock on the Pro tier at $25 per user, and the heavier AI sits even higher. So the headline price isn't really the price you'll end up paying once you actually switch the AI on. Next up, and yes, this is our channel, so of course we're going to talk about it, CloudTalk. But stick with me, there's a real reason it's on this list. Here's what sets CloudTalk apart. Most platforms started life as a phone system and then duct-taped some AI features as an afterthought. CloudTalk built the AI directly into the phone system. So when you make a call, the AI is already there. It's transcribing in real time, summarizing the conversation, picking up the sentiment, and writing it all straight into your CRM. You don't click buttons, you don't open other tabs. It just happens. A few features worth knowing about. The AI voice agent picks up calls around the clock in over 60 languages and qualifies leads before your reps even open their laptops. AI sales dialer hits up 10 lines at once and bridges the call the second a human says hello, so your team spends time actually talking, not listening to ringtones. And it plugs natively into HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zendesk, so every recording, transcript, AI summary lands exactly where your team already works. Pricing starts at $19 a month, plus the add-on for the AI feature you're interested in. You can choose to boost your subscription plan with AI insights from conversation intelligence, AI voice agents, and AI dial. This way, you pay only for the tools most useful to your team. There's a free trial linked in the description down below if you want to give it a go. Now, CloudTalk is built around calling, but what if you're running an enterprise operation that needs more than just calls? Internal messaging, video conferencing, all under one roof. That's when we should mention the third on the list, RingCentral. This one's a heavyweight. It's been around forever. The call quality is solid, and they've pushed hard into AI lately with something called RingSense. Basically, they're a conversation intelligence layer. It transcribes calls, scores them, surfaces keywords, gives managers a way to coach reps without sitting through hours of audio. Where RingCentral shines is enterprise scale. Big teams, lots of locations, complex routing across countries, but it gets tricky in the setup. Don't expect to be up and running in an hour. It's just not that kind of platform. There's onboarding, there's configuration, and depending on your stack, there's a probably consultant involved. Pricing starts at around $20, but the AI feature require add-ons. Now, if you're a smaller team that just wants something clean, easy to spin up, and good enough to get the job done, Aircall is worth looking into. The interface is clean, onboarding is quick, and it integrates with the usual HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive. Their AI tools give you transcriptions, summaries, and topic detection feature that helps managers see what conversations are actually about across the team. Solid pick if your needs are simple. Where it cracks is at scale. CRM sync can be patchy. HubSpot users in particular have flagged calls not logging correctly, and support runs Monday to Friday, which becomes a real problem the first time something breaks on a Saturday morning. At $30 per user to start, you're paying mid-range pricing for what's essentially an entry-level system once the AI conversation starts going. So here's the takeaway. If the phone is actually how your business runs, if calling is the engine, CloudTalk is built for exactly that, with the AI already inside the engine, not bolted on the side. A quick example to make it real. Autenti, a European digital signature company, deployed CloudTalk's AI voice agents across its support team. And the result, a 30% drop in calls that needed a live agent. Their support lead had told his manager to expect 10, and he got triple that. There's a free trial in the links down below. No credit card, no commitment. Takes about an hour to set up. Try it for yourself before you commit to anyone. And that's your guide to the best VoIP platforms with AI calling. If this saves you a few hours of research, hit the like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps this channel reach more business owners who need to hear this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.